We're back down at Lujan Motorsports in Miami, Florida, where Willie, the Wizard, is going to be installing the Stage 2 Gen 5 3-liter supercharger kit on the giveaway car. So we've already done a ton of body and styling mods. We've done suspension. We've done driveline stuff. We've done the exhaust. And now it's time to make some power with that Whipple kit. So let's go and get it installed. Here we go, guys. Another early morning, South Florida. It's about 7 a.m. Walking out to the giveaway car right now. We're gonna head over to Lethal East. We're gonna load up that Whipple Stage 2 Supercharger Kit and make our way down to Lujan Motorsports where Willie the Wizard is gonna install the kit so we can start making some power with this bad boy. We know this car looks awesome already, has some great suspension on it, but now it's time to add some power. Let's go, Gen 5 Whipple in the house, Lujan Motorsports. We have a great day. We're gonna give you guys the full Cuban experience. Let's do it. Here it is, guys. Complete Stage 2 Whipple Gen 5 Supercharger Kit that's going on the giveaway car. I don't think we showed you the finish of it yet, and I'm gonna have to probably wait till we get down to Lujan Motorsports to spill the beans and let it out, but it's gonna look awesome and definitely pop against this carbonized gray metallic car. I can't wait for you guys to see it. So I'm out here and I'm thinking to myself, like, again, 19 years in the industry. We're definitely a leader in the industry of the aftermarket performance parts for Mustangs, as well as other vehicles and stuff. But this is the first time we've ever done a giveaway car. It's pretty insane to me. It's a lot of money invested in it. We got a lot of time in it, but it's for you guys. So we appreciate all of your support. Remember to get your entries, head on over to lethalperformance.com. Every dollar that you spend with us gains you an entry to winning this car fully built up along in 10 grand cash. So thank you guys. We appreciate your support. We got tons of new swag. You see this new shirt I got on here. Tons of new shirts up on the site. Hoodies, long sleeves, t-shirts, performance wear. We've also got hats, koozies, stickers, cups, mugs, the whole nine. So all that little stuff as well. You don't have to be buying like a super high priced dollar value item to gain your entries. If you want to spend $5, go ahead. There's 5 entries to winning this car. So come on over, place your orders. We appreciate it. Love you guys. Oh yeah, we made it down to Lujan Motorsports. And as always, got a couple nice Mustangs parked outside here. Nice Mach 1 with that 2020 GT500 style hood from Cervinis. We've got Rolly's car over here, Cobra Jet. We actually got to listen to Willie start this up and pull it out of the bay. There. The giveaway car is sitting right over there, getting ready to get pulled in. Willie is just cleaning up the bay, getting ready to go. I think he said it's time. Willie, we good to go?
Yes, sir.
All right, man. Let's pull. I can't wait for everyone to see this blower too, man. Let's pull the car in, and then I'll show you guys the supercharger. All right. So I just got the car pulled into the bay over here at Lujan Motorsports. Check it out, looking good. Getting ready for that Whipple install. Wait till you guys see the color of it. It's definitely gonna look awesome against this carbonized gray metallic finish on the car itself. Here it is. Oh my God, oh my God, it's so bright. That looks awesome. I don't even know what color this is considered, but I would say it's almost like a lime green, like a yellowish lime green, I don't know, something like that. But I know it looks awesome. That's it right there. Gen 5, Stage 2, 3-liter Whipple Supercharger Kit going on the car. We're gonna get rid of all this stuff here shortly and get that blower on. So let's get rocking on the install. Danny in the house. This is the typical Lujan experience, guys. It's South Florida. We got that Cuban coffee, guys. This is the first one of the day, and I'm sure there's gonna be many following this one. And this is what we do down here. Yes, we drink that Cuban coffee and have an awesome time. We got Danny. What's up, yeah, man. Chilling. Joe, how you doing, bro? Good? My eyes are gonna be popping out of my head in a second, like they aren't already. Willie the Wizard, man. Good? Is it good? Come on, man. It's excellent. Why, do you drink it without like sugar in it?
Not without sugar, but I like it, you know, not as
cheers, man.
Not as sweet.
Yeah. Blower is on the car, looking good. Again, that finish on there is fire. Awesome job, Willie, doing a great job as always. He's done a few of these Whipples before, as you guys have seen. A bunch of our cars. This is the 4th Whipple kit going on in S550 or S650 with Willie here in basically the first couple months of the year, right? Crazy. Bangs them out, gets them done, does a great job. And it's always a great trip coming down here because, again, you get to hang out with family, drink Cuban coffee, get all whacked out, eat some great food, hit the bathroom, ass-splosion, and back to work. Famous burnout, which it's known that you have to do that, right?
That's it.
So you're gonna burn these tires up or what?
Yeah.
All right, good.
Got good brand new tires, we can burn.
In wizard fashion, burn it up. Yeah, I know, right? I promise you guys, the winter, there will still be some tread on those tires after Willie's done, all right? But look at this. Man, such a nice product. Wow. Glad to have Whipple as a part of our build, as well as all our partners in the Team Lethal Mustang Giveaway. So we'll let Willie finish this thing up, flash that calibration on it, and then it's time to do your burnout. Deja vu over here with another successful Whipple install down at Lujan Motorsports in Miami, Florida with our man, El Monstro, the Monster, Willie the Wizard. We've got that Stage 2 Whipple Gen 5 3-liter supercharger kit installed. Everything went awesome. As you can see, it pops with that carbonized gray metallic color on the body. I'm gonna call it Neon Limonade. What do you guys think? Drop a comment below. Now that we finished up all the power mods on the car, we've just got a few other mods to go. I believe we're doing some brake pads and rotors next, and then the Team Lethal Mustang car will be ready for one of you guys to take home at the end of May. Remember, all entries are valid through May 31st. All you have to do is head on over to lethalperformance.com, place your orders for your parts, accessories, or swag, and every dollar that you spend gains you one entry to winning this car, all modded, and $10,000 in cash. I'm the Mustang King, and I'm out of here! Well, obviously, I didn't learn my lesson the first time Danny spiked me with one of these things, but we're doing the Cuban coffee thing again. Here we go. Time to get cracked out one more time. Cheers, guys. Thanks, Danny. I really appreciate that, man. While I'm like grinding my teeth with my eyes bulging out of my head on the way home. Thank you. Cheers, guys. Some more Cuban coffee.